Hi everyone, I'm Pat Prokop. It's Saturday, April 1st, and there is a slight risk for some severe weather conditions in our area this afternoon. So first of all, let's go to the map and look at the severe weather chances for our area. The Storm Prediction Center has a slight chance for severe thunderstorms in our area of southeastern Georgia and southern portions of South Carolina for Saturday afternoon. Now, looking at the conditions here, I'm expecting the threats for severe weather. The wind damage is kind of a high threat for that. Low chance for tornadoes, but a small tornado or two could spin up real quickly in this system this afternoon. There's a chance for some small hail, but a low chance for large hail. And then there's a moderate chance for some lightning strikes and some downpours. But the system will be very thin and fast moving, so it won't last long. So I'm not expecting any flooding associated with these thunderstorms, if indeed they do make it to your area. Let me show you why I talk about that. First of all, let's take a look at the satellite imagery. And there you can see a line of showers and thunderstorms across the almost the central portions of South Carolina into almost the central portions of Georgia, right around the fall line, and extending back into the eastern portions of Alabama. This is the lightning strikes associated with the storms itself and the band of clouds with that. Meanwhile, looking at the regional radar summary, there you can see quite a bit of precipitation associated with this line. Now, looking at the radar summary from across our area this afternoon. Here we are. Let me bring it over here. There you can see the showers and thunderstorms advancing eastward across portions of the South Carolina into central portions of Georgia. This is the Macon radar out of Warner Robins, actually Robins Air Force Base. And it shows a lot of that shower and thunderstorm moving rapidly, rather eastward toward the northeast, east-northeastward at this time. Now, in advance of this system, we do have some very strong gusty winds, and those will continue throughout the afternoon hours. Perhaps gusts up to 25 to 35 miles per hour at times, but on the average, about 15 to 25 mile an hour winds throughout the afternoon. Now, the winds will be diminishing somewhat throughout the evening hours after this front passes through. Let's take a look at the forecast model. Now, this is from the high resolution model, and it's the latest run from this morning, and it shows that line of showers and thunderstorms very thin as it moves southeastward and eastward into our region. And this is about 5 o'clock this afternoon. There you can see the showers and thunderstorms moving into the central portions of our area, into the eastern portions of South Carolina. And then as we advance into 6 o'clock, then 7 o'clock, there you can see it's moving across the Savannah area and into the Brunswick area at 7 o'clock, and then by sunset, the whole system should be off the coast. Meanwhile, the winds will be rather blustery throughout the daylight hours, and we'll see those winds anywhere from 20 to 30 miles an hour, with gusts perhaps up to 35 miles per hour at times. And this is over all locations. But then as you look, you can see that by 8 o'clock, the winds begin to diminish, and there'll be just breezy conditions throughout the overnight hours. And then for tomorrow, Palm Sunday, looks like we're going to see lots of sunshine to partly cloudy skies and light and variable winds. So that won't be too bad there. Now, looking at the my weather page, savannahpat.name. You can find all this information there for your viewing pleasure, if you want to call it that. And if you like this channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button as well. That's very important. And looking at the regional radar summary once again, there you can see those winds are rather blustery this afternoon, coming in from the southwest, moving toward the northeast, and they're in advance of that line. Now, today we're going to see those temperatures warming into the middle 80s, but by tomorrow we should see those temperatures only in the middle 70s. So much pleasant day for tomorrow, Sunday, which is Palm Sunday in the Christian Church. And coming up with a full moon, that'll be coming up on, I think it's Tuesday or Wednesday this week. And that's the Paschal moon, and that's the moon that dictates the first day, or what Easter Sunday will be. It's the first Sunday after the first full moon after the vernal equinox. Well, we had the vernal equinox. Now we're waiting on the full moon. That's coming up Tuesday or Wednesday. And then after that, it'll be Easter Sunday in the Christian Church. So with that being said, enjoy the rest of the afternoon. It might be a little bit blustery out there, and keep an eye on the weather for those thunderstorms. They'll be fast-moving storms, and they won't last very long. But when they do come through, they could come with a little punch and some very strong winds, perhaps winds up to 55 miles per hour. So thanks for watching. See you later.